Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. Anong araw? October 25, 2022. And nandito kami, ako, si Martin natutulog. Nandito kami sa aming colony guys, sa aming tiny home. Malapit na talaga siya matapos. Actually, tapos na siya. Kulang na lang talaga ng tubig. Yeah, so ang gagawin namin, tomorrow pala pupunta akong work. So I only got today to clean up the whole mess here. Tapos sa labas din, kasi daw may parang I think in the middle of this week may pupuntang truck dito and then kukunin lahat yung mga trash kanyan para makalinis kami. So anyway, marami nang naging update sa aming colony guys. Ako din na-shock ako kasi ang tagal ko hindi nagpunta dito. I'll show you. May TV na dyan. Pero ang ano pa din, super messy. See? Yan. Tapos, there daw is lalagyan ng table. Parang magiging office table siya. Office space there. Tapos, ito naman, I'm gonna have a little corner there for my coffee. And, i-arrange ko yan guys. So, it will look nice. Tapos, dito, alisin din to kasi, ewan ko ba saan namin yung malagay. Wala kami masyadong space. Tapos, tingnan nyo yan. Ang aming kusina ay tapos na. Hindi pa tapos. But then, 90% tapos. Kami yung nag-assemble nito, guys. Kita nyo. It's super nice. May pagganito pa tayo. Paano ba to? May pagganyan-ganyan pa. Nasira ako tuloy. But anyway, yan. Yung mga tiles na yan, binili namin sa Sweden. Tapos, itong cabinet is, alam nyo, hindi siya yung, anong tawag niya, yung mag-close siya slowly. Ito yung lutuan namin. Actually, bawal pa sa nalagyan. But anyway, ito yung aming ref. Gusto ko nito guys, it's because parang nakatago yung ref sa cabinet. See? Charan! Ganun. So, kita nyo guys, ang dami pa talagang lilinisin. Pero konti-konti lang naman to. Pwede namin itong ilagay sa labas. Itong yung mga ganyan. See, pero so far naman may ano na, may improvement na. Tapos, may pizza oven dito si Martin. Hindi pa namin talaga alam kung saan namin siya ilalagay kasi it's taking so much space. Diyan na muna namin ilagay. Well, nag-iisip kami kung saan pwedeng ipwesto. Kasi ang laki niya. There, yung labas naman, ano na, fall na dito. Fall? Pa-winter? Fall, yeah. So, kita nyo yung mga dahon, nag-fall, nag-yellow-yellow, ganyan. So, ang dami namin gagawin guys. So, hopefully, maging productive tayo today at hindi tayo tamarin.
1, 2, 3, 4. If anybody wants to find me, in the last place you would look, in a place where people used to be, a land that's called reality. You'll find me there. I won't be catching up on Reddit. I won't be watching any news. I'll let the planet spin without me, 'cause everything has been without me sometime. And everyone will be alright if I'm not live by satellite. It's a beautiful day, I'm running away. Don't bother to Facebook, message or call me, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode and everything is okay. I just wanna play, unplug for the day and live in the moment, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode, yeah. I'm always drowning in the static. I'd rather swim in crystal seas. My battery's been running low. I need to take it nice and slow for just a while. You won't be hearing about my weather, and you won't see my breakfast pics.
Ako guys, ang sakit sa ulo. Ang daming lilinisin. Pero kaya natin yan. Pero hindi naman talaga madami. It's just the leaves. Yeah, so I'm gonna start in this area here kasi ito yung napakasakit sa mata.
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal is a circling round like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again, and smiling all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no, take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly. Children used to laugh at her. They say your head is in the clouds, and when you come back to earth, the men in the white coats, they will all be waiting for you. But Katie knew that there was something they didn't see, and she climbed up to the top.
Guys, dito na muna tayo sa loob. It's raining outside. Maglinis, so crazy. Anyway, it's raining outside, kaya break time na muna tayo sa paglilinis. It's also okay now. We're just gonna sit down and enjoy the silence. Kasi nasa higaan pa siya. Pag bumangon na yan, ganyan na naman. Okay. So guys, nagabihan na kami guys. Nakatulog ako. Hindi ko natapos yung aking gawain, pero at least naman medyo naging okay naman siya kahit papano kumpara a while ago. So pakita ko. Yung naging malinis na yan, hindi ko alam kung saan niya ilagay. May plano yan si Martin, so siya na bahala diyan. There, medyo okay na, ganyan. Ito itatapon namin. Pinagkainan namin, itatapon namin mamaya konti. See, medyo okay na siya. Yun. Tingnan nyo aming lights. Char.